When you buy a home warranty or think about getting one, there's one word that you should be watching more than anything else: transparency. Because in an industry where fine print, hidden fees, and confusing coverage are the rule, transparency becomes more than a nice to have. It can mean the difference between comfort and frustration. Today, I want to talk to you about why transparency matters when you're picking a home warranty, and how home membership stands out as one of the clearest, most transparent plans that you're ever going to find. The first thing is why transparency matters. Here's the reality: many home warranty plans are confusing. Coverage can be unclear, limits aren't obvious, and it's common for homeowners to be surprised when they file a claim. According to a review used by experts who evaluate home warranty companies, transparency, meaning clear pricing, public coverage charts, well-defined exclusions, and easy-to-find contract details, is one of the 4 top criteria that separates good warranty companies from the ones that you need to avoid. Many plans out there charge a monthly premium plus a service fee, often between $75 to $150 per claim. That's fine if you understand exactly what's covered, but when coverage details are vague, that fee becomes a gamble. Industry sources also warn that items beyond basic wear and tear, or items not properly maintained, are often excluded, and many components like cosmetic parts, certain fixtures, pre-existing conditions, etc., may not be covered at all. So the question becomes, how do you know what you're actually paying for? The second thing to cover is, what does real transparency look like? A truly transparent home warranty plan does the following things. It publishes a clear, easy to read coverage chart that itemizes what's covered and what is not, both parts and labor. It discloses all the fees up front, monthly premium, per claim fees or a service fee, and any caps or limits. All of that is disclosed right up front, so you're not guessing. It avoids fine print designed to confuse and instead uses plain everyday language. It also has to make contract terms, exclusions, and plan limits available before you sign up, not buried somewhere after you have already committed and paid your money. When a company does all of these things, then you can compare the plans and understand realistic coverages and make informed decisions rather than just hopeful guesses. So now let's talk about how home membership delivers transparency. Here's how home membership checks all of those boxes for a transparent warranty plan, and why that's going to matter to you, a homeowner. The first thing is, there's a clear coverage chart that covers both parts and labor. Home membership shares that coverage chart, and it lists 120 plus items across systems and appliances that you get to see right up front exactly what is covered, both parts and labor. There's no guesswork, and that means that when something breaks, you're not left wondering whether those parts are going to be covered or whether that labor is going to count, or if there are any other questions. The second thing is that there's a low, simple service fee. Unlike many warranty providers who tack on large service or call-out fees every time you request a repair, those things can cost up to $150. Home membership uses a modest $25 per claim service fee. That makes it much easier to actually use your plan because the barrier to filing a claim is very low. There's also no hidden fine print or complex exclusions. Home membership aims to be upfront about the exclusions, the caps, the conditions. Rather than bury these details in dense legal language, they aim for clarity, so you can understand the limitations before you sign up. Next up is flexibility to use your own repair pros. Instead of locking you into a proprietary vendor network, which can delay repairs or force you to accept unfamiliar contractors, home membership lets you call your own trusted local pros. That gives you control and often faster, more reliable service without sacrificing the warranty's benefits. Also, home membership has an honest, education-first approach. Home membership doesn't sugarcoat the downsides of home ownership. Their material encourages homeowners to look carefully at contracts, understand exclusions, and only buy what makes sense. That kind of honesty is rare in this industry, and it's building long-term trust. It's the reason why we make these videos. Here's why that transparency pays off for homeowners. Because of the clarity, homeowners using transparent plans tend to get real value. Studies of home warranty satisfaction show that when customers understand exactly what's covered and what's not, the fees up front, they're likely to be more satisfied. Up to 67% of homeowners in some surveys said that their warranty was worth it. Meanwhile, companies that hide costs or have unclear policies generate more complaint calls, frustration, and distrust. Clear coverage charts, low predictable fees, and flexible contractor policies give homeowners confidence and make it easier to use the plan when they need it. When you know exactly what's covered, what you're going to pay, and how to get your claim processed, a home warranty becomes a tool and not a gamble. So what should you check whenever you compare any warranty plan? If you're shopping for a home warranty or considering switching, here's the checklist for transparency. Ask for the coverage chart. Ask for both the parts and the labor before buying. Confirm the per claim service fee, whether it's fixed or variable. Look for clear, simple language around what's included and what's excluded. Check whether you can use your own repair provider or if you're locked into a network. Make sure that contract terms, caps, and limits are written in a way that you understand and not just buried in fine print. Compare plans side by side, not just the monthly cost, but the whole plan to see what you truly get for your money. If a company glosses over any of these, you may be signing up for surprises. So home ownership comes with unexpected costs time and time again. Appliances break, systems fail, repairs happen. A warranty should protect you from the unpredictable. But the value of a warranty isn't measured by promises, marketing slogans, or gimmicks. It's measured by clarity, straightforward rules, and honesty. That's why transparency matters and why a provider built around clarity, reasonable fees, and homeowner control brings real peace of mind. If you want to see an example of a warranty that aims for maximum clarity, start by looking at the coverage chart from Home Membership. Read the terms, understand the fees, and ask the tough questions before you commit. Because a home warranty shouldn't be a gamble, it should be a safety net for you and your family. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.